Good morning, everyone. I am Jay, the co-reporter of today, and I am excited to take you on a magical journey into the realm of imagination. We'll dive deep into the world of fantasy and explore the enchanting universe of the Spiderwick Chronicles. Prepare yourselves because what seems like an ordinary world might just be hiding something extraordinary right beneath the surface. But before that, let us first answer the activity. So we have here an image of a fan and then an atomic number of, what is this? Selenium. And then this is the last image, shows a picture of a sea. So fan plus stat plus C is called fantasy. All right. So the answer for this is fantasy. So what is fantasy? So fantasy is a genre of literature that weaves magical elements, mythical creatures, and imaginary worlds into its narratives. Unlike realistic fiction, fantasy embraces the impossible, whether it's wizards battling dark forces, dragons soaring through the skies, or hidden realms coexisting with our own. Common themes include eternal struggle between good and evil, heroes' journeys filled with trials, and the boundless potential of magic. Simply put, fantasy turns the what if into reality. So here is an example of a fantasy which will be our main focus on my part. So we have here the Nickelodeon movie presents the Spiderwick Chronicles. So let's step into the world crafted by Holly Black and Tony DiTerlizzi, which is the Spiderwick Chronicles, which was first published on May 31, 2003 in the United States. So this captivating series spans five main books. It follows the lives of three siblings, which are Jared, Simon, and Mallory Grace, who, upon moving into the mysterious Spiderwick state, uncover a hidden world of fairies and magical creatures. Their journey rather becomes a thrilling battle to protect to protect the secrets of the Arthur Spiderwick's field guide from dark forces that seek to exploit its power. So here it is. First is the field guide. So the adventure begins as Jared. I'm not sure if it's Jared or Jared, but let's settle with Jared. Simon and Mallory move into the Spiderwick state and stumble upon a world of fairies lurking in the shadows. So this is the first book. The second book is The Seeing Stone, which was also published on 2003. So with a magical stone that reveals hidden creatures, Jared witnesses the unseen, but when Simon is kidnapped by goblins, their journey becomes even more dangerous. So kabalo naman guro mo ning goblins, no? Kay kita naman paani. Let's move on to the third book, which is Lucinda's Secret. So desperate for answers, the siblings visit their great aunt Lucinda, uncovering more about their great uncle Arthur's research into the fantastical world. Fourth is the Ironwood Tree. So it's very nice na the image itself. I mean the book cover. So in this book, the stakes rise when Mallory is captured by a group of dwarves leading the trio on a daring rescue mission. So I think there is an intertextuality here, like for example, the story of Snow White, although she was not kidnapped, but she was rather adopted by that 12. I'm not sure if it was 12 also, but there are several dwarves mentioned in the Disney movie also. So similar to this, somehow similar rather. And then the last one is the Wrath of Mulgarath. So mura siya katong sa Plants versus Zombies na image na katong kuan isog kaayo nga murag kahoy nga mo swallow og zombie. So this was published on 2004, similar to the Ironwood together rather with the Ironwood tree. So in this book, the series culminates in an epic battle against the evil ogre. It's ogre, yeah, ogre Mulgarath in a final battle to save their home and the world of fairies. So the children fight to save their home and to also protect the magical ring. Okay. So I guess that would be all since that would be all since Chester Alcosaba will continue the discussion. So let's conclude the story of the Spiderwick Chronicles. So as the series closes with the Wrath of Mulgarath, the magical journey of the Grey's children leaves us with one lingering first question. Is this truly the end or just the beginning of another hidden story waiting to unfold? In the world of fantasy, the adventure never truly stops. It simply lies in wait for the next daring soul to discover. So Mr. Alcosaba will explain the theme, the characters, and as well as the motive of the story. Thank you for listening. Okay.